In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the logo in Odoo step by step using the Odoo online demo. This method works perfectly if you're testing Odoo, learning website customization, or just want to quickly update your branding without touching any code. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, how to upload your logo, and how to save the changes properly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Odoo Demo Online, or directly go to the Odoo Demo website. This demo environment lets you test features freely without affecting a real business database, which is perfect for learning. Once the demo page loads, you'll see an option to access an online demo instance. Click on the demo link to continue. After the demo loads, you'll be taken to an Odoo website interface. At the top of the page, look for the Edit button. This button allows you to modify the website content directly from the front end. Go ahead and click on Edit to enable editing mode. Once edit mode is active, you can click on different elements of the page to customize them. Now, locate the current logo on the website, usually positioned in the top left corner of the page header. Click directly on the logo. When you click it, Odoo will open a small editing panel with image options. From the available options, click on Upload an image. This will open your file selector, allowing you to choose a logo image from your computer. Select the logo file you want to use. For best results, use a clean image with a transparent background in PNG or SVG format, and make sure the resolution is high enough to look sharp on all screen sizes. After selecting your image, Odoo will automatically replace the existing logo with the new one. Take a moment to review how it looks on the website. If needed, you can adjust the size or alignment depending on your theme and layout. Once you're satisfied with the new logo, the final and most important step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top of the page while in edit mode, and click on it. This ensures your new logo is properly applied and won't be lost when you refresh the page. After saving, your logo change is complete, and your Odoo website now reflects your new branding. And that's how you change the logo in Odoo using the online demo environment. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Odoo tutorials, website customization guides, and business software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.